For small and mid-sized companies, analytics is often a slow relay. One person frames the question, another finds the data, another writes SQL, and someone else rebuilds the answer in BI. Melmac DataAI compresses that relay without removing accountability. I built a human-governed AI analytics operating system where models propose, deterministic controls validate, warehouse evidence proves, and people retain authority over consequential decisions. The business case board starts with operational questions: what needs attention, why, what evidence exists, and what must happen next. It is supervision, not another dashboard. This persisted training case asks whether payment success differs by sign-up country and payment provider. The AI Curator conversation was recorded earlier. In this walkthrough, I replay persisted state. I do not trigger a new model or warehouse call. The curator turns the question into a typed investigation proposal with cited context. The operator reviews the exact question and source scope. Confirmation creates a planned investigation and draft evidence packet. It does not authorize SQL. Inside the investigation, work moves through plan, authority, query policy, cost, evidence, and review. Semantic contracts fix the metric and grain. SQL receives static safety checks and a warehouse dry run. Separate, scope-bound approval is required before collection. The recorded approved read examined 95 aggregate records within row, byte, and time limits. The complete result table was not persisted, and idempotent replay did not create a second warehouse job. The evidence packet preserves hashes, provenance, reconciliation, and limitations. It remains validating because human evidence review is not yet active. The system stops rather than presenting an unsupported business claim. Sources, contracts, settings, and documentation expose the governed foundations, including provider-neutral model configuration. Audit records the control plane path without raw result values. I used Codex for repository analysis, implementation, regression tests, independent reviews, CI verification, and release hardening. Codex helped trace a production evidence packet revision bug and verify the fix. I used GPT 5.6 Sol through Codex for architecture and authority boundary review, security reasoning, and release critique. GPT 5.6 is not a hidden production decision maker in this demo. Melmac DataAI is the beginning of a smaller, accountable analytics team supervising AI execution. It can actually prove